So we're going to boil a cup of peas till they are nicely done. And then once they're done, we're going to mash them up completely to form a kind of a puree. Now we are going to make a masala or grind a paste. For that, I have taken about 5 to 6 or rather 6 to 7 light green chilies, depending on how spicy you would like the patties to be. Then about 4 cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger, 5 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, half a cup of coriander or cilantro, salt to taste, and the juice of half a lemon or a lime. So we're going to put all of this into a blender or a mixer pot, and we're going to make a very coarse paste of all of these ingredients. Now you can increase the number of green chilies if you want it more spicier. So after grinding this paste, we get a nice coarse paste. And now what we're going to do is just going to mix this paste with our mashed up peas, and then it looks like this. So this is our filling. Now the next step is to make the patties, and for that we will require about 5 large boiled potatoes, which I have peeled and mashed up. Then I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to the potatoes and also some corn flour. So I'll be using about half a cup of corn flour. So I'm going to be adding the salt to taste to the potatoes. So I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add the corn flour. And we're going to mix all of this well till we get a nice firm consistency. So mix everything well together. Now we're going to take a small ball the size of a lemon or a lime, and we're going to flatten it out completely. And then we're going to put a little bit of the filling, say about 3/4 of a teaspoon of this filling which we have prepared of the peas and the ground masala. Please taste it before putting it into the, before using it, whether you require more of lemon or whether you require more salt. So taste the filling first and then put the filling into this potato and just seal it up by getting all the sides together to the center. And just shape it up well so it looks like a nice patties. So in this way, we're going to prepare the remaining patties. I'll show you one more. Now, if you like to have the peas a little bit whole, then don't completely mash the peas. Like at my home, we like the peas completely mashed. But if you want to have a little coarser paste, then you can just mash the peas halfway through. Now, after preparing all the patties, what I have done is I have just dipped them in some corn flour, dry corn flour, and then kept them aside. Now, we are going to shallow fry these patties. You can deep fry them too, but I prefer shallow frying them. So, I've taken a pan and I put some oil in it, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and let the oil get nice and hot on a low to medium flame, not on a high flame. And once the oil is nice and hot, we are going to place these patties carefully onto the hot oil. And then we just have to turn them over once they're golden brown on the base. So once both sides are golden brown, our Matar Pattice or green peas pattice is all ready to eat. This is a very easy recipe, and the end result is really, really delicious. You can serve this with some coconut green chutney or some pudina green chutney or just some regular ketchup or some sauce which you like some hot and sweet sauce or anything, whatever you would like to serve it with. This is a really, really delicious Matar Pattice. So I hope you liked this recipe, and I hope that you try this out too. Now it takes about 2 to 3 minutes on each side till it gets golden brown. And then you have to very gently turn it over once it's done. Now here I'm taking the help of the back of a tablespoon just to make it easier so it doesn't break. So in this way, fry all of them till they're nice and golden brown.
Well friends, don't forget to give this video a big like. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button you see below this video. Do ring the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Please share my recipes with family and friends. Do visit my channel for more than 215 videos. And thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Take care.